Plano is taking a proactive approach to protect its trees from an invasive insect before it arrives in the city. It is called the emerald ash borer.
It's a little green, emerald green beetle that infects only ash trees. One bug is all it takes.
The bug has not been confirmed in Plano, but instead of waiting for damage, Plano is removing vulnerable ash trees during park projects and replacing them with other native trees that fit the space.
What we're trying to do is plant the right tree in the right place.
Replacing trees is more cost-effective than treating them, but there are some exceptions, like Pecan Hollow Golf Course and Go Ape.
Some of the trees define the holes, and so we want to keep those trees, as well as the Go Ape course, where a lot of their trees are attached to ash trees. So in those situations, it makes sense to treat the trees.
Plano works with the Texas A&M Forest Service to monitor the signs for emerald ash borer.
The hole that an emerald ash borer makes is very specific. It's a D-shaped hole, but this one's very small, the size of a pin head on a pin.
If we hear a bunch of woodpeckers in the area and they're pecking off the bark, that's another indicator.
If you find a D-shaped hole, you can contact the City of Plano or the Texas A&M Forest Service.
As Plano protects our landscape for the future, nothing goes to waste. Removed trees are sent to Texas Pure Products, where they are recycled into mulch for residents. To learn more about how Plano manages public trees, visit plano.gov/urban forestry.